Hey guys, so let's see what you get with Ted's Woodworking plans. One of the main things you get is over 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. I mean, how amazing is that, guys? Now, what I will tell you too is I'll leave a link for 50 free plans that you can download. 50 free plans that you can download. I'll leave that in the description. And if you are excited to go on and check the 16,000 ones out with all the, I'll show you what the main package includes. Let's have a look. And as I scroll down, guys, you people can have check it out yourself, go through it. I'll scroll down through it slowly, and then so step-by-step guides, 16,000 projects. Anything you want to build, it's all there. Cutting and materials list, so they give you a they tell you exactly what you're going to need to make each thing, which is fantastic. Detailed schematics. When I was in college years and years ago, we had. I wish we had something like this. Because I know it was at college, woodworking was nothing like this. The instructor just sort of told us what to do and we had to get on with it. So this is like, so easy. Make anything and easily. Right, suitable for beginners and professionals. So look at that, guys. You can, build your kids some little trucks and whatever. Yeah. Fantastic. I'll just show you that again. 16,000 projects, step-by-step plans, step-by-step instructions, cutting and materials lists, detailed schematics, views from all angles. So let's just see exactly what you get. TedsWoodworking, Earth's largest database. I would say that's true. I mean, I haven't seen any. Excuse me. I haven't seen anywhere else on the internet with more than up to anywhere near 16,000 woodworking plans. I'd say once you've got this, unless you're doing something extremely customized, Ted's Woodworking plans would cover everything. Here's what you're getting. And I'm on the website, and you see that when this over here, every now and then pops up with all the people that are buying it. See, from here, that's the people that have bought this. So you can see it's pretty popular. Okay, so instant access to all 16,000 projects with cutting materials list like I showed. Lifetime free monthly plans, no recurring fees, other charge. Lifetime free monthly plans, guys. A treasure trove of tutorials and in-depth woodworking training. DWG and CAD planner viewers, so you can edit and modify your plans. Look at that. You can edit and modify your plans as well. What else have we got? 150 premium woodworking videos, guys, covering a wide range of topics, hosted by master craftsmen. Now, don't forget, I will leave a link to both if you want to find out more about, or you want to go ahead and buy these Ted's Woodworking plans. I'll leave a link for that, and you might want to start off. I'll also leave a link for just 50 free plans, and you can go from there if you decide you like the 50 free plans and then you want to go ahead, take it a bit step further. And I would say that once you get those 16,000 project TEDS plans, that's all you need for, obviously, for a lifetime, I would say. Now, how to start a woodworking business, guys, okay? So they tell you how to make a business. Learn how to make money selling your custom woodwork, okay? So they'll tell you how to, yeah, I mean, if you are, a handy person, and you can go ahead and make a business, from building these projects. Complete woodworking guides, over 200 pages of tips and tricks with detailed drawings and diagrams. And these are some of the real customers, real testimonials. It's very, very popular, guys. I mean, that's not putting spin on anything. As you can imagine, any woodworking plans that gives you all the schematics, the diagrams from different angles, the materials list. You're going to be hard pressed to find anything better, I believe. Types of projects you can build today. Look at all that. Beds. What's that? That's another bed. Look, anything. Even little wine holders, flower pot holders, or vegetable pot planters to grow on your. That'd be good to grow on your fences, save room. That's an awesome idea. As long as the fence doesn't fall down. So you have to make sure you build a strong fence. You probably better get the obviously you would get the plans to do the fence as well if you haven't even got a fence. So look at that, your own woodworking bench. Make your own woodworking bench. These are just what's this, 10 or 12 maybe of the plans. Look at this, those are cool. Sort of a mini picnic, what do you call it, Barbie. That's actually quite cool too. Whatever that is. Oh yeah, a bed that lifts up. And, what else have we got? And thousands more you can download. That's pretty cool, look at that, 4 bunks. Jeez. Okay, there. Little, whatever that is. Woodshed there, dog lives in there, who knows. List of plans you can find. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at this, guys. Do note that this is just a partial list, okay? Now what I'm about to show you is a partial list. It's not the full list. I can't possibly tell you everything you'll be learning when you dive into TEDS, otherwise you'll be reading this page all day. But I do want to give you some categories that are waiting for you. Okay, let's have a look. Look at all that, guys. So this is obviously in alphabetical order going down and then up. Knife block, lamps, anything, really. Rabbit houses, router plans, wooden racks. You can go through this and check it out in your own time. Don't forget, guys, I'll leave a link for these 16,000 plans, and I'll also leave a link if you guys can find something better online, I'd like to know that too, but I think you're going to be hard pressed. I think you're going to be hard pressed to find something better. Squirrel den, jig plans, doll houses, you name it, it's here. Ottoman plans, wishing well, and many more, guys. So let's keep going. 16,000 plus total number of plans, 24,000 plus satisfied customers, 170,226 plus projects created that they know of, obviously, because not everyone's going to write in and tell them they're making projects. There's some more happy customers. Oops, what do we got here? Okay, let's go back up here and have a look. So, instant access to, like we've said, we've been through that pretty much already. Let's see. As it says here, so really you've got a really simple choice to make. Choice 1, go at your project alone and make do with the plans you can find, and who knows, you may roll the dice, da-de-da. Then again, or there's choice 2, let Ted's Woodworking do all the work. This is the quickest, easiest, smartest way to build the project. Yeah, you've got to say to yourself what value to put in on time, because you could say you're planning to build a gazebo. Now you can look around on internet and see, find the plans, and will they give you everything as like from all angles? Will they give you a materials list? It might take you, might do it, but how long is it going to take you to find all that? Might take you a long time. So Ted's Woodworking is going to take you, save you valuable time. You've got wife and kids. Can you spend hours on the internet looking for the right materials, the right project? If you that might be okay if you're retired, but if you're still working, etc., whole different story, guys. So there you go. Now, like I say, you can scroll down through that again and watch this whole video again. I will put a link for 50 free plans in the description, and you guys can check those 50 plans out. And if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and check these Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plus plans out yourself. But whatever you do, I'll put both links in the description below. And happy building!